Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my little corner of the internet. I am Chel, 30 years old, single, no kids, and no, I'm not crying about it yet. So ayun na nga, I hit the big 3-0 this year. At parang lahat ng tao nagiging concern sa life ko. Kailan ka mag-aasawa? Wala ka pang anak. Sayang ka. Like, okay po. Pero seryoso, I wanted to talk about it. What it's really like to be 30, single, and childless. Lalo na sa panahon ngayon, lalo na sa kultura natin mga Pinoy, na parang lahat ng bagay may deadline dapat. Let's be real. The pressure is there, okay? From family, from friends, from social media. Scroll ka lang sa social media mo, puro kasal, baby shower, gender reveal. Ako, nagre-reveal lang kung anong ulam ko today. And don't get me wrong, yes, masaya ako for them. Pero minsan, napapaisip ka talaga, late na ba ako? Pero hindi ka late, okay? Iba lang talaga ang timeline mo. Now, let's talk about the perks of being childless. Walang anak means walang diaper budget. Walang puyat sa madaling araw dahil puro iyak si baby. Walang PTE meetings. At walang mom guilt kapag lumalabas ka with your friends. Again, don't get me wrong. Okay, real talk muna. Sa panahon ngayon, ang pagiging childless ay masasabi kong parang blessing in disguise. Kasi bes, ang mahal na ng bilihin ngayon. Diapers, formula, tuition fee. I'm not saying it's better. I'm saying it's different. And in this economy, guys, come on. Pero syempre, hindi lahat masaya. May mga gabi na tahimik. May mga tanong na, what if? Pero those moments don't define me. They remind me na tao lang ako. Na okay lang umasa, pero hindi ko kailangang i-pressure ang sarili ko para lang mag-fit sa expectations ng iba. Ang natutunan ko, hindi mo kailangan ng asawa o anak para maging buo. Hindi ka kulang. Hindi ka behind. You're just living in a different kind of life. And that's valid. Kung darating yung love para sa'yo, 80 good. Kung hindi, good pa rin. Kasi I'm learning to love myself first. So sa mga katulad ko na 30s na, single, walang anak, hi sa inyo! You are not alone. You are not weird. You are not failing. You're just writing your own story. And it's beautiful. Kahit hindi typical. Thanks for watching mga bes. Kung relate ka, like mo to. Share mo sa mga friends mo na pinipressure na rin. And please don't forget to subscribe. Let's normalize different timelines. Let's celebrate every kind of life. See you next time. Ciao!